My name is Daniel Lopez. I'm the Digital Banking and ATMs Director, and my role here at BanRegio is to ensure the digital strategy and also the cross-sale products around our digital channels. BanRegio was founded in 1994 in Monterrey, Mexico. It was built with the main idea to ensure all the creators and the industrial activity here in the north part of Mexico. At BanRegio we have 4 core businesses. The first one is the wholesale, in which we offer loans for investment and capital needs for our customers. The second one is retail, in which we offer for all the entrepreneurs some different kind of products, such as credits and also some loans. We have the preferred customer service, in which we help our customers on their needs of all the products that we have here at BanRegio. And also leasing, in which we offer loans for the acquisition of machinery and everything that our customers need to grow their own business. The ATM is critical for our strategy. It also helps us to get closer to our customers. Through the digital channels, we are building a net that is ending with the ATM process. It helps us to reach our customer needs and to provide all the functionalities that we are working around. Through our ATM channel, we are building a new relation and facilitating all the approach and the business with our customers. The DN series and the dynamic view form a crucial part in our digital strategy. With both parts, we strengthen our digital strategy and we also cover all the needs of our customers. We ensure the availability of the ATMs and we also bring to our customers all the services on our digital banking strategy that we are working around.
My name is Carlos Viveros. I'm the Growth and New Business Development Senior Manager. My role here in BanRegio is all the offline channel growth, new business models and partnerships. I'm also responsible of all the creative and dreams, ideas, make it happen. One proof of it is this Punto BanRegio. Punto BanRegio, it's located on a more retail environment. We designed Punto BanRegio to captivate the attention of the small and medium business enterprises decision makers, to be the point of sale and financial advisory, but most importantly, to introduce our brand new service, Financial Concierge. Financial Concierge is an all-in-one remote service through a centralized banker that is available to our preferred customers. This person can help you with resolve any service-related issues to a more complex financial solutions. We have 3 different Puntos BanRegio. We have 2 in Mexico City and 1 here in Monterrey. Also, we have an expansion plan nationwide for the following years. In terms of customer experience and customer journey inside this branch, we have 4 different moments. At first, we welcome our customers to make them feel like home. The first moment is our experience room to introduce our bank. The second moment is this digital table to introduce our digital channels. The third moment is our concierge room to introduce our financial concierge, never letting behind the way that we love to do business through human touch. And the fourth moment is any cash solutions through the DN series. All of our cash solutions in these new branches are the DN series. We strongly believe that everything that a normal teller could do on our regular branches, we have it here through the DN series, reducing our branch footprint, our operational costs, and improving our convenience 24/7. And of course, having a beautiful and modern design. We are more than happy that DN series not only look great, it's also helping our customers to protect their assets and data from criminals, thanks to all the multiple security features. In fact, at the very beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak, we, as a measure of social distancing, we took a look our more transactional branches and we decided to install a DN series almost alongside our tellers, so we could reduce face-to-face interactions, taking care of our customers and ambassadors.
Diebold is a strategic partner for us. in the next years to come, we're going to be working on new digital strategies. What we value the most is the trust that we have been building over the years, and also the mutual support that we have in our business relation. Also, the service that they provide, it's aligned with our strategy and has been very helpful for us. At this time we have 62 DN series ATMs over all our branches, and we are looking forward to acquire a lot more. Dynamic View has been very helpful for us because it led us to have an online monitoring service and also provide us very helpful information that strengthen our strategy over the ATMs, especially with the DN series. There are more years to come for us. Through the DN series ATMs, we are looking to develop and present some new features for our customers, also some new products and some new features that is going to be a surprise for everyone.